Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Imagine automating complex workflows, delegating tasks to AI agents, and monitoring everything in real time, without writing fragile scripts. That's exactly what Astron Agent lets you do. It's an open-source platform for building and running multi-agent AI workflows in production. In today's video, we'll set up Astron Agent on Windows using Docker, create a workflow, explore integrations, handle long-running tasks, monitor everything in real time, and deploy it in a production-ready setup. Let's dive in. What is Astron Agent? Astron Agent is made for developers, AI engineers, automation specialists, and SaaS founders who need robust workflow orchestration. It breaks complex workflows into multiple AI agents, connects to APIs, databases, and external tools, supports long-running tasks, and allows real-time monitoring and debugging. Unlike traditional automation tools, Astron Agent is built for multi-agent collaboration, making workflows resilient, scalable, and efficient. Why multi-agent workflow matter? Traditional automation runs linearly, so if one task fails, the workflow stops. Astron Agent lets agents run independently while coordinating with each other. For example, one agent can collect data from APIs, another cleans and validates it, a third runs AI models on the data, and a fourth outputs results to a database or notification system. Even if one agent fails, the others keep running, making workflows parallel, decentralized, and production-ready. To get started, open Command Prompt or PowerShell and run git clone https://github.com/flytech Astron Agent. This downloads the code, Docker files, and workflow examples. Next, enter cd Astron Agent. Next, navigate to the Docker folder, cd Docker and Astron Agent. Copy the environment template to a working .env file by running command prompt copy .env.example.env. The .env file will configure service ports, database credentials, authentication, and external API keys. For a quick test, you can leave the default values unchanged. After saving, start Docker Compose. If you want authentication enabled, run docker compose fdocker compose with auth.yaml up-d. If you don't need authentication, simply run docker compose up-d. Docker will pull images, build containers, and start backend services, agent runtime, UI, database, message queue, and optionally, CASDOR. The first startup may take a few minutes. Check running containers by running docker ps. You should see containers for the backend, agent runtime, UI, database, message queue, and CASDOR if enabled. Open your browser at localhost to access the UI. Here you can create agents, build workflows, monitor tasks, and debug errors. For auth-enabled setups, the default login is usually admin with password 123, which you can change in .env. After logging in, click Create. You'll see three options: Creation Prompt, Creation Workflow, and Voice Virtual Creation. For Creation Prompt, define your agent in a single sentence or select a recommended option. I'll choose the Data Analysis Assistant. Set the agent name, category, and introduction. Edit the prompt to define the agent's role, tasks, style, and settings. Advanced options let you enable or disable internet search, AI image generation, or code generation. Add a knowledge base, opening statement, personality, and select a voice with multi-turn conversation support. Upload an avatar, then click Create. Your AI data analyst is ready to chat or share. Astron Agent encourages open-source collaboration. You can export workflows, publish them on GitHub, and submit them to the awesome Astron Workflow Collection. This helps you contribute to the community and learn from other developers' workflows. Astron Agent can run locally on private or public clouds or in enterprise data centers. It scales from small experiments to full production systems. Astron Agent combines multi-agent collaboration, API integration, long-running task support, real-time monitoring, and open-source community sharing in one platform. It's production-ready and empowers developers to turn ideas into automated AI workflows that actually work. Check the description for the Astron Agent GitHub repository and the awesome Astron Workflow collection. Build your own workflows, share them with the community, and join the Astron Agent ecosystem. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Finder, and watch the next video to discover more powerful AI tools.